A few inches later.
That's it. Now you're going to make it.
That's sorry, Shana, I'm sorry, and I'm going. Why you
Oh my sorry. I'll tell them. Oh my sorry, they made very much.
No, I'm covering it now.
Covering what?
I'm going to eat food.
No, I'm done.
Eat now. I'm going to eat. Nothing entered this.
No, I don't know. In fact, I can't just understand. You know, you are putting particles.
Sorry.
Huh?
Sorry. Which particles? Which particles? Which particles?
No, I'm done.
What do you mean? Eh? What do you mean? Just small hair, you're done.
Yes. You are
which particles
doing
tear?
Eh? Put it inside food.
Stop this now.
It's rubbish with that.
So in a sosimoyin, I'm irritating you.
Irritating. Anything you like, the color. Irritating.
If it is you now, I will eat.
It's you now.
If it is you now, I will eat.
I'm not you now. It's it. I want to make it.
I was covering it.
Cover what?
I was covering it, man. No one came here by shock. Just that small thing. But in the night, you touch me, you kiss me.
Okay.
If you can kiss me, now. What is the difference?
Put spit now. Not that eat because love.
No, on a serious note, if I dish you now spit now, you will not lick it.
I can't lick it.
Then did you love me now?
Which can I love? Now leave
did
that
you love me now?
Let me talk that and shit now make I eat.
If you shit, I can eat it. Oh. I love you that much.
Okay.
Come on, spit me, you cannot lick.
This is you.
Yeah, I'm going to something in a fork and
there's people that eat dog meat. There's people that don't eat dog meat. There's people that eat a wimwalker. There's some people that doesn't eat it. There's some people that eat
meaning what?
There's some people that don't eat pork meat. So another month.
So I can lick your spit, but you cannot lick my own spit. And they say they love me. Yeah, that means if you don't eat this food, I will not be happy. Just because of small hair, eat the junior. Just small hair.
They talk, leave that love aside. They talk that love.
No, why will I irritate you? Why will my spit irritate you?
Shit in America.
Why will my spit? This is not shit. Okay, just say it here. Even the food, it was food that will fall out. It's not even spit.
Shit.
Eh?
Sweet.
You called it particle.
Yes.
All are particles of the same indomie.
You just remove your this thing and put inside. Then I wanna love.
No, it's not fair. I'm not happy. It's not fair. If it was you, I would continue to be eating this food. I'm not happy. I'm not happy. I'm not happy. What is love? Well, when they said for better for worse, I thought it was well.
I do ATM now. It's here. It's here. It's here. Now watching. I keep on watching you. It's here. It's here. Thinking that I will remove my hand. Now you did the worst one. It's here, pouring all the food in your mouth inside the thing. You're telling me I should eat. Because you want people to send me off.
You
want to send me off from the food.
Better for you.
And you have achieved your aim.
Meaning what?
Tomorrow you do to him again.
Meaning
I will
what?
leave the food for you. Somebody will do it. You will not remove your face. And inside the food, you won't put up. It's here. It's here.
But I'm not eating it again. Give me water.
Water.
I want a minute there, but give me my phone. No phone, no one.
Your phone is with you.
Phone now there, but then you call the day I ring.
The phone now, even I can't ring. That's me. Don't disturb me.
Just to spoil somebody's mood, just like that. Oga beg, shift your leg. When I don't tell you dance, don't dance. Dance.